back to my channel. Today I'm going to watch the new BTS song Airplane Part 2. All of the armies was excited to see this song because we have Airplane Part 1 in J-Hope's mixtape, and this is Part 2. I'm excited to see it, and as long as I know, this is going to be the second song of this album that's going to have an MV, and I just want to hear the song. I'll try to, I don't know, I'll tell you in the end how I think the video might be, and when it comes out we'll see am I right, or at least I was close. So let's begin. In 3, 2, 1, play. That's right. I love it. Come on, Mindy. There we go. So he put his verse in here on the airplane. You have to rest more. I love this part. This is Jimin and V together. I can hear these. Wow, it's so nice that J-Hope put his verse from Airplane in Airplane Part 2, and it's really different. It's like you can see how different it sounds just because the music is different from the Airplane 1, and how the vibe is changing just with the music, and it fits well even in the first one and in this part as well, which is just wow. Their music are made so well, how they can even sing it in on a different instrumental and still to sound that well, that really really good. Other thing that I want to say, it's basically that's their story. They're saying that even if they're now huge and everybody are like, whoa, BTS, and they're having so many people who support them and love them, they're still the same seven boys as they were before. Like, they're not gonna change their personality for a few years just because they're now worldwide known. And that's what make them just beautiful humans, because they're not like with big ego or to be like, oh, I'm a superstar now, everybody knows me, like watch me walking, I'm the boss here, and or stuff like this. Even in a billboard they were like shy when the people were screaming their like name, and the fan was going wild, and still you can see how they're smiling and can't believe how many people are loving them. And I'm happy that they're feel the love, and I'm happy that they're still trying to say that they're not gonna change just because they're now huge, just because they're probably now have more people who support them. They're going to stay real until the end, stay themselves until the end, and just respect, honestly. There are like many people who can't really help can deal with the fame, and the fame usually change them, and they become people who they are not, and in the end they are start losing their true selves. And that's why even RM said that he still he's still confused, because most of the time he's living a life as RM and he doesn't have a chance to live a life like Namjoon. Just think about how you're going to feel if your life is 24/7 exposed in front of many people, and how hard it is to deal with the judging part of the society, and how sometimes you're trying to hide your weakness and hide your bad habits. And if you're a celebrity like them, because in the beginning they were normal, like 7 normal boys who just follow their dreams to be a singers, but with the fame there's a lot of other things that came. For example, that you don't have really much of a personal space, and you just have to be really strong. You just like your mental health, mentality has to be really strong. And I'm happy that they still are together and they can support each other, and it's really they're doing the right thing, that they're staying together and they don't live in a different places, because as Jimin always said, when they're away from each other they're feeling lonely. And the key is that they're together, they're supporting each other, and they don't get depressed, or at least if some of the members is struggling with something, the other always are around. I love this song. The vibe, it's really Latino, and I'm interested to see what is going to be the dancing. Are they going to have like some Latino steps or other possible steps? I don't know, but yeah, I'm I have to wait to see what this MV is going to be, and I'm so happy that I heard this song because now I can listen to it without be feeling bad that I'm listening to the song by my own. And yes, this is for me the Airplane 2. See you soon, and as you all know, I love you. Bye.